Hi, I'm Rashmi Patil and you're watching Straight Up the edX Live. College students in Karnataka will not have to mandatorily study Kannada as a subject. On Thursday, the two-division bench of the Karnataka High Court asked this government to set aside its order of making Kannada a compulsory subject for students studying undergraduate courses. The court was hearing two petitions that challenged the government orders issued on August 7 and September 15, 2021. The petition called the orders as arbitrary in nature and said that they are in violation of students' right to freedom and expression. The court noted that the state government cannot enforce Kannada on those students who do not wish to pursue this as a subject during their undergraduate studies. It also stated that the state government at this stage shall not insist on making the language compulsory. Those students who have taken Kannada language on the basis of their choice may do so, but all such students who do not wish to study Kannada language may not be compelled to pursue it until further orders. But why did the Karnataka government all of a sudden make Kannada a mandatory subject for undergraduate students? While it was a mandatory subject for engineering students earlier, the government passed these orders in line with the National Education Policy, which directs to boost regional languages in education. Meanwhile, Additional Solicitor General M.B. Nardgun, who appeared for the government, said that making any language compulsory in any state on the basis of NEP would have vast ramifications and that the decision should be taken by the centre in consultation with the states, according to the report by Live Law. However, the High Court of Karnataka has said that the move was the one that required careful consideration and has allowed Union of India a 4 weeks' time to file a detailed affidavit explaining Government of India's position in this matter. The two-judge division bench, consisting of Chief Justice Rituraj Avasthi and Sachin Shankar Magdum, asked the Advocate General Prabhulinga Navadgi not to politicize the issue when he asked the court to restrict the reliefs provided from the government orders only to the petitioners. Thank you. That's all for today. We will be back with more updates tomorrow. Don't forget to like and share our videos.